Sometimes the most delicious dishes come from the simplest ingredients. Today we are making hella soup, a comforting flour soup that uses just a few pantry staples to create a rich and flavorful bowl of goodness. In a pot, melt 2 tablespoons of butter with 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Once the butter has melted, add 5 tablespoons of flour. Stir it continuously until it turns golden brown. Now, pour in 2 liters of water and whisk quickly to prevent any lumps. Bring it to a boil. Once boiling, add half a cup of washed rice and 3 tablespoons of salt. Let it simmer for about 15 minutes until the rice is tender. Melt some butter in a pan and heat it with paprika powder. Drizzle the fragrant butter over your soup, and there you have it, a comforting bowl of hella soup. Enjoy. So creamy, so comforting. This soup is the perfect example of how simple ingredients can create something truly delicious. I hope you give it a try and enjoy it as much as I do. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy and tasty recipes. Thanks for watching. See you next time on That's in Kitchen.